Today, let's dive into the top AI editing platforms for 2025 that can totally transform how you create videos. Facing the challenges of slow and complex video editing, AI can help simplify everything, saving you valuable hours and boosting your video quality. Start by picking the AI editing platform that matches your style. Consider factors like ease of use, customizable templates, and automation features. Great choices include Magisto, Pictory, VDIO, and InVideo. They're true game changers. Next up, gather your video elements, like images, clips, and audio. Keep your audience in mind to ensure your content grabs attention. Getting organized is crucial. After that, upload your files to the platform, which typically allows for several formats using simple drag and drop. Now let's talk customization. Pick a template that embodies your brand, then tweak the visuals, colors, and fonts. AI tools are there to suggest edits, making the process smoother for you. Automation is super important too. Many platforms analyze your footage and recommend cuts and transitions to keep things lively, helping you tap into what engages viewers. When your video is ready, enhance it with music and sound effects, but remember copyright rules. Go for royalty-free tracks. If you want to make money from your video, upload it to YouTube using keywords in the title and description to maximize your exposure. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. By recommending relevant products, you can earn a commission on sales through your link. Creating and promoting merchandise that appeals to your audience can also lead to financial support. Finally, interact with your audience. Respond to comments and feedback to foster a community. This engagement can boost your visibility and encourage more viewers to share your videos. To sum it up, choose the right AI editing platform, collect your assets, upload and customize with AI help, add effects, and monetize through YouTube and affiliate marketing. Embrace the future of video editing. Start creating now and watch your earnings rise. Don't hesitate. Join the AI revolution today. Comment and let us know what more we can guide you with, and subscribe, like, and share so we can be a part of your journey.